Roman Reigns, acknowledge me. I got what I wanted, you got what you wanted. Why don't we give everybody what they want? Title versus title. Champ versus champ. If you think for 1 second that these skid mark security guards are going to stop me, that sign right there is mine because I